the darkness, your loving kindness tore through the shadows of my soul. The work is finished, the end is written. Jesus Christ, my living hope. All right, this beautiful song, Living Hope, has a simple set of chords. We're in the key of E flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we've got 3 flats in this key: E flat, A flat, and B flat. Now the chord structure is built on starting on the 1 quarter E flat, and then we go to an A flat 2. So you can leave out the 3rd note here. Now notice from E flat to A flat 2 in the right hand, you're only really changing 1 note. So here's E flat in root position. Here it is in first inversion. So this is the first inversion of the E flat chord that you're going to start on. So from this to an A flat 2, you've really only changed the finger 1 from a G to an A flat. And then you've got your A flat 2. It's nice and easy. How great the chasm that lay be. So here's your B flat suspended. Notice the B flat and the E flat. From the first chord, our E flat, to B flat suspended. These 2 notes stay the same while you add in an F down here. This is the 5th note of the B flat chord. How great a chasm that lay between us, how high a mountain I could not climb. So just quickly reviewing all the chords in the verse here: E flat, B flat suspended, A flat 2, C minor 7, C minor 7, and B flat suspended. So there's your chords for the verse. And if you don't want to play the melody in the right hand, you can just play chords. You can start in root position for A flat. Hallelujah. So one more time, the chorus chords, we'll add in a root note in the left hand, probably at the octave, just so you can hear how that sounds. And one more time, I'll just try and have some fun with it and playing the melody in the right hand and letting the left hand play a little looser.